Hello. Today, we're diving into the world of YouTube and counting down the top 7 YouTubers in the world. Before that, subscribe to Fantastic Facts for more. Let's get started. Coming in at number 1, we have the king of YouTube himself, MrBeast. With over 322 million subscribers, MrBeast is known for his elaborate challenges, giveaways, and philanthropic efforts. From counting to 100,000 to raising millions for charity, MrBeast has truly made a mark on the platform. At number 2, we have T-Series, the Indian music record label and film production company. With 276 million subscribers, T-Series has become a global phenomenon, especially after its rivalry with PewDiePie. Their catchy music videos and Bollywood hits have captured the hearts of millions. Number 3 is Cocomelon Nursery Rhymes, a channel that's perfect for kids and parents alike. With 184 million subscribers, their educational and entertaining nursery rhymes have become a favorite for young audiences around the world. Coming in at number 4, we have Set India, a channel dedicated to Indian entertainment. With 178 million subscribers, they bring the latest in Bollywood movies, trailers, and entertainment updates to their massive audience. At number 5, we have Kids Diana Show, featuring the adorable Diana and her family. With 126 million subscribers, their fun and heartwarming videos have captured the attention of viewers worldwide. Number 6 is Vlad and Nikki, a channel featuring the adorable siblings Vlad and Nikki. With 120 million subscribers, their playful and entertaining videos have made them a favorite among kids and families. At number 7, we have Like Nastia, a channel featuring the charming Nastia. With 117 million subscribers, her fun and engaging content has won over a huge audience. And that's our list of the top 7 YouTubers in the world right now. Comments below yours favor. Also hit like, share, and subscribe to Fantastic Facts for more.